Up first, life is upside down for one family, another displaced, and a community on edge following the murder of a 15-year-old in Trenchtown last night. The police are urging calm and are asking those with information to come forward. More in this report.
Tears rolled down the cheeks of Eldin Maitland as he held on to his son, 15-year-old Nevada Maitland's book list. They planned to go downtown on Saturday for some last-minute back-to-school shopping together. However, the teen was killed Friday night outside his home on 4th Street in Trenchtown.
This one peaceful and nice and gentle. And don't deserve this.
Residents showed us the hole where the single bullet shot through a metal shop door before hitting the teen. His aunt, who was there at the time, explained what happened.
I just sit down on one chair. And my nephew sit down right there, so behind me, and my next cousin sit down right there, so and all of my cousins them sit down there, so my auntie sit down there, so all of the baby them sit down there, so and I see the man walk out in the road from the man, and him start back, so and me hear the shot, me turn off, and me hear the shot fire, and I run go in the yard. When I come out, I never lay down right as upon the ground, one shot in him head.
Nevada, who was a student of the Tivoli High School, was described as quiet and kind. Come Monday, he would have been going into the 10th grade.
If I go back to school, I buy him shoes. To the Saturday, me and him for go downtown, go deal with him uniform and him thing, them for go back in a school and him bag. Last night, me and him talk before it happened. And at this, I come back up in there.
The murder has angered the community. The area where the shooting took place has been enjoying peace since the start of the year. Our news team understands that a truce between men from Brooklyn and Sox is the reason why. Men from both sides have been allowed to walk anywhere in the community. And so, on what should have been a regular Friday night, when one man walked past as he usually does, he was attacked. Head of the Kingston West Police Division, SSP Michael Phipps, is urging those with information to come forward.
I just want to appeal to persons just to allow the police to do our work in this matter. And what they should be doing is to really support us in terms of giving us information where we can make a very early arrest in this particular matter.
The alleged shooters have reportedly not been seen in the community since. However, the police say their families have been forced to leave the community. Officers were seen in the space to prevent any reprisals. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.